going to the main building of Angkor Wat. Meet my friends DG and Debbie. Over. And so we have to walk and walk and walk. Sabi nga nila, walk with faith in your heart and you'll never walk alone. Say some pay, Debs.
And you'll never, ever walk
Okay.
alone.
Ikaw ko ni Jessica Soho na yung lawas. My beautiful friend from Iligan City.
Wow, yung naman ako. Our Spanish.
Spanish.
Sardines.
Yeah, we're nearing actually.
Pedro, nasan pa ba? Ang kabayo. Ilabas.
Uy, na si Vice.
This is one of the old, and this is the sunset. Oh my god, it's so lovely, just like me. Actually, there's a lot of people, and it's already 5 p.m. here, local time in Cambodia. Let me take a picture of this building. Ooh. And my friends are, oh my god, there's really a lot of people here. Me too. Oh, I'm sorry. Me too.
Magdali!
And my friend, very pretty.
What?
That's
We're in
true.
The Angkor Wat.
Yeah, and what?
And what? The Angkor Wat?
Crazy.
The Angkor what?
And my friend in Lapu-Lapu City, you know na.
How dare you?
Go.
It's okay. It's okay, girl. Dapat ika-proud na siya, girl. Oh my god, so how many people in Moreno every day?
Video sa tabi.
Of course. So, how do you find the place?
It's nice. Like it's so
Compared to, you know,
compared to.
Thailand, Bangkok.
No, it's actually. It's also nice there. It's just that it's like a different temple. It looks different. The color is different.
And what else?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Thank you for your opinion. And that was the security officer in the tower. And we're here again. Yeah, it's very... What's this, lion? It's really awesome.
Hi, we're in the Angkor Wat right now. the back.
I'll take them picture then. Picture today. I think we can just take a photo.
Color.
What's in here? So this is the last building here.
Here, please.
Me too. While there's still sun. Okay, we're here. We're very close to the main building. That area there. That one, the main entrance. I'm going there.
Asa ko?
And my friend.
Like and subscribe to be advancified.